So what was the good news?
Ang tagal na namin tong hinintay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, mga kahigala! Today, mga kahigala is lalabas kami kasi pupunta kami sa supermarket. Loading talaga si Banana, mga kahigala, kasi dami talaga itong iniisip ba.
We look so white.
Yeah, I know. Kasi nga, yung fridge namin is wala ng laman. Yeah, it's empty.
We ate all the food. Now I have to go buy more.
Nasa ano pa. Yan, wala na talagang mga laman. Tapos wala yung unang araw, di ba? Sinabi ko sa inyo na wala na kaming bigas din. Dito kami ngayon sa Somerset Mall, mga kahigala, kasi si Banana is nagpapadala ng pera sa Pinas pang Pasko. Maayon na lang na ay pang panset. Ito ang Somerset Mall. Nandito kami nagpark sa senior citizen parking. Di na ako sumama ni Banana sa loob ng mall kasi hindi naman ako makapasok sa Western Union. Kaya naghihuwat na lang ako dito, mga kahigala. Pagkatapos dito is pupunta kami sa Checkers. Doon kami bibili ng mga ilagay sa fridge kasi dito medyo mahal. Nandito na kami sa Checkers, mga kahigala. Yeah. Bye, Banana. Yeah, onion. This. Dito. Umudil daw siya. Bumili kami ng food dito para lunch namin, mga kahigala. Bumili din kami ng tea, biscuit at chocolate. Cheese at ito yung chicken na binili namin for lunch. What else you want to buy? Da, nagpadigo.
Get my glasses and I can't see, okay?
Kaloy sa akong banda.
Oh my God.
Kumbate.
Do you want pork mince?
Yeah, pork mince. Lord, matawa ako sa Banana ko, mga kahigalaan, kasi pili-pili kami ba kung asa ang barato. Asa ang mga sale gani, dahil mag sale, mga kahigala. So pili-pili muna kami, mga kahigala, no, para makatipid tayo ba, kasi may card kami dito, mga kahigala ba. Tapos hanap-hanap kami sa mga food na may card na nakatatak. Ganito ba, nagpili na naman siya. Ito ang nabili namin, mga kahigala. Yun lang lahat nabili namin, mga kahigala, pero may iba pa na hindi namin nabili kasi nga maybe next week na namin mabili yung mga tissue, mga seafoods, tapos magbili din kami para sa Christmas party ko, mga Pinay, tapos magdadala ng mga husband, no?
And then a new wife for me as well. We go shopping for that, okay?
Tapos magdala ka ako daw ng ice cream, soft drinks, tapos pang-bra, yun lang ang dadalhin ko. Si Banana is busy kasi nagano siya na putito, partner namin sa chicken na nabili namin. Tapos magawa din ako ngayon ng salad. Hey! Kasi Rios nagkaon. Nagutom na, mga kahigala.
Higala, she starves me. She never feeds me. So now I thought, let me quickly eat before she takes the food away from me again. Okay? Something now, right?
Ito yung chicken na binili namin, mga kahigalas. Putito at salad. Tapos yung chili ko na ginawa ko din. Ganahan magudkog na ay chili. Basta magkaon ko, mga kahigala. Papunta kami ngayon sa bahay ni Cindy, mga kahigala. Kasi may ibigay ako na bulaklak. Kasi naghingi ako sa tag-iya sa among gipuy-an karon ba na buwa kasi nagustuhan niya. So naghingi ako. Kaso lang hindi daw ting season karon sa katong buwak ba. Buti na lang at may siya tinanim na isa. So binigay niya sa akin ang bait. So yun, ibibigay ko kay Cindy. Ito, mga kahigala, oh. Kulay violet ang flower nito. Ito na si Cindy, oh. Waiting na. Ang daming kao, mga kahigala, oh.
Oh my
tabok
God.
sa kalsada.
This is South Africa now.
This is South Africa.
Small town. Like the Philippines, honey. Like the Philippines. It's cow, not baboy.
He knows baboy and this is baboy. Oh. Malagi panglabog ng mga sinina, mga kahigala. Yan lang. Na-enjoy kami sa kaon mga kahigala. Like batuta.
I like wild nature, you know.
Nag-stop kami dito sa Per Grain mga kahigala kasi si Banana gusto daw inom ng coffee. Sabi ko, uuwi na lang kami para mag-inom ng coffee. Sabi niya, dito na lang daw.
No, to see if we can get on this bus and see if it goes to the Philippines, okay?
Sabi ko kay Banana, di na lang mag-stop dito kasi ang mahal ng coffee nila dito mga kahigala. May mga tinda. Marami ding mga bulaklak. Wow! May tag 55. 69 lang. Di masyadong mahal.
Where are you going? Come here by the fire engine. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Take note of the sandals and the socks, okay? Wait. Let's check it out. Yeah, you see that over there? Yeah. That's the socks. And this is mom, okay? With the sandals on, okay?
Buang yung bana mga kahigala. Hindi niya nagsabi na pupunta kami dito. So tignan niyo yung hitsura ko. Parang mag-ani ng humayba. Ani ng humayba.
Wait. Let's go. Oh. Very fashionable.
1 hour later.
Nakauwi na kami mga kahigala. Saglit lang kami doon. Kasi hapon na. Anong oras na, no? Panghapon na sad. Ito yung flower mga kahigala na binigay ko kay Ate Cindy. Diba maganda mga kahigala?
Two pretty flowers, okay?
Eh?
Eventually.
Good evening. I shall be reading the news. My name is Dion Brian Visser.
And I'm Sherrymae.
Are you Sherrymae? Really? I've never seen you before.
Ang tagal na namin tong hinintay mga kahigala.
But I was going to do the weather now. What are you going to do? Some good news. Oh yes, some good news. The weather is beautiful in Somerset West today. Not too hot, not too cold. Is that the good news? What was the good news?
I don't know what.
What is the good news? What is the good news? I wonder. I don't know what the good news is. So, last night, I got a little message to say that something had arrived. So I went out letting Madam know, and I went to go and fetch what had arrived in the post. The post! And the post in South Africa really doesn't work too well. And now that we've got COVID, it's even longer. It's like, hello, my higala. It's the same with the post, okay? So I didn't tell Madam here what I went to go and fetch, and I came in and then I gave it to her. And the surprise is...
Jen! May Google AdSense na kami mga kahigala.
We have a pin. So we have registered our address, so therefore we are legal. And we actually have a monetary balance there. It's quite nice. But she wants to spend it too quickly. I'm saying no.
Thank you sa inyong lahat mga kahigala. Salamat ng marami sa inyo, no? Sana hindi kayo magsawa na mag-watch sa amin ba. Support kayo mga kahigala. As in, malaking tulong din to sa amin ba. Kung makuha namin, masaya na kami. May 2,000, 1,000, di ba? At least, maka-help namin dito. Pangbili ng mga needs namin. Alam nyo na kasi wala tong trabaho, di ba? So, we are both happy, of course. Yeah.
I think everybody that starts off with these channels really starts off with this great enthusiasm and then it fades out. My motto is just keep going, you know. Sooner or later, someone will look at us and say, hey, these two are a little bit crazy, let's carry on following them. And we hope more and more subscribers will do that, okay? But it will take time. It's like anything, it takes time, okay? The people that just haven't discovered us yet. Oh, and if you wish to buy one of these t-shirts, you can't because they cost ₱1,000,000 each, okay?
Tagal din namin hindi nasuot to mga kahigala, no? Susuotin lang namin to pag mag-challenge kami. Pero hindi na kami nakagawa ng challenge kasi si Banana is busy, no? alam yun na kung ano ang ginagawa namin para makaahon sa trials namin, mga ano, alam yun na.
Talkative. And I just like to add, because I don't know what she just said, because I do not understand Tagalog. Okay, I'm learning, but I'm getting confused between Tagalog and Visayan. Okay, but it's crazy. This is last year, this time, I don't know what today's date is, 9th, 8th, 9th, 10th, we were literally going to be leaving the Philippines to come back to South Africa. And yeah, I don't think we were still in the Philippines because we were delayed because of the typhoon. But it's just about a year that Madam has been living in South Africa. Of course, I will say this, I miss the Philippines.
Na-miss niya ang Pilipinas.
Yeah, and what I think is going to happen eventually, I can't tell you what year or how many years from now, but I'm hoping she will take me back to the Philippines, okay? Not when I'm 95, all right?
So, mahal if we have like this ba?
Oh, when we got zero money. So we go back. Quickly, let's give the money away, then we can go back to the Philippines, okay? Because it's best to have no money in the Philippines. Life is good. We've got Duterte to look after us.
Oh my God.
Hinos Duterte. So yun mga kahigala. Hindi lang namin ito pahabain mga kahigala kasi wala kami masyadong viewers na ngayon, no? So thank you sa thank you talaga mga kahigala. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi namin ito nakuha. Sana makasahod na, no?
And she gave me a hard time waiting for this. Believe me, you see this? She gave me a hard time. She kept on doubting and wondering, when is it coming? And she's stressed.
Kasi ilang buwan na, no? 3 months na?
And all I told her was, it will happen. We've got COVID. Besides that, we've got COVID. We've got the South African Postal Service. It takes so long, okay? So I said, eventually it will come. All right? Last night it arrived.
Yeah, so lucky kami mga kahigala kasi natanggap namin to. Kasi yung iba, hindi para dumating ilang months na, 5 months na, 4 months. Kasi pag hindi na daw nila makuha 3 months or 4 months, mawala yung ads daw. So, I'm very thankful. Thanks God. So, thank you all of you mga kahigala.
And it's still not a down payment for my Mercedes-Benz, okay? Unfortunately. It takes a long time to get to earning real money from YouTube, but what the hell, every little bit helps, okay?
Thank you sa inyo mga kahigala. Sana hindi kayo magsawang panoorin kami paulit-ulit. So, yun lang!
Are we saying bye-bye now? But I've just started now. I haven't told them about the news yet, okay? And the weather and, I'm only getting started. Because you can be talkative doesn't mean to say I must just sit with my mouth closed,
We don't have viewers now.
You don't have viewers?
Yes.
It's okay. I can see that guy there in the screen. He's watching me. Okay. I can see him clearly. Yeah, there he is.
I think he's a girl also.
Yeah, gorgeous girl. Yeah, beautiful girl. Let me look closer. I haven't got my glasses on.
So that's all.
That's all, guys.
Bye, mga kahigala.
Excuse our nonsense. Okay? Little bit loco. Bye-bye.